Hi Udita, it's wonderful having you at Influence Exchange Conflicts and Awards series. We would like to ask you a few questions and thoughts about the event and about your experience. So my first question is going to be, what attracted you to a career in marketing and what keeps you passionate about it?
I think I've been in marketing for over a decade now. And I think at the start, what really excited me was the creativity angle. I think marketing is one stream of the corporate world which lets you hone your creativity and still use your analytical and problem solving skills. So I thought it was a perfect combination, and hence marketing. And I think over the years, what keeps me going is how dynamic it is. Like marketing is changing every day, communication is changing every day. When I was getting educated, the word digital didn't exist, and now we have an entire conference for a day on digital marketing. So that's the most exciting part about marketing.
And what are the key takeaways you hope the audience will gain from your session?
Well, I thought her session was very exciting. At least I enjoyed it a lot, and some interesting content creators to engage with and share ideas with. I'm hoping that people are really able to take away some of the things that we as brands do to build and identify and vet really authentic influencers to work with, and the importance of actually having authentic influencers in our engagement and conversations. So that is what we were trying to convey through our platform, and through the panel discussion. And I hope those are the takeaways for our audience.
So what are the most significant trends you see emerging in ad tech, martech and influencer marketing in India right now?
I think personalization in any form of digital marketing, whether it's martech or even ad tech, personalization, because customers are becoming more demanding, and rightly so. They have access to so many different offers from so many different brands and so many different communication pieces. Personalization is going to be the game changer in my view.
And how do you see the landscape of influencer marketing evolving in the next 5 years?
I think India is at a very different stage of influencer marketing. I would say at a very mature stage. So we need to be a little careful on how we treat influencer marketing. There is a little bit of a perception that it's become extremely promotional. Even the content creators can feel it, and they are also very conscious. They don't want to make their pages extremely promotional in nature. And I think that's why treading carefully, probably doing less but more quality approaches and collaborations would be the best way forward.
What advice would you give to aspiring professionals looking to make an impact in this industry?
I think rough it out. The first 5 years, really rough it out. Learn as much as you can along the way, and growth will come. So I think that is the key for all the aspiring marketing professionals.
Last but not the least, how has your experience been with Influence Exchange Conflicts and Award series?
A very interesting experience. I think it's the first time they're doing an event in India. Surprisingly, I've already heard about the event from the UAE friends, and somebody actually reached out to me saying that, oh, it's exciting to see that you're going to be participating at this event. So I think good event, interesting discussions, and looking forward to many more versions over the years.
Mohita, it was wonderful having you with us, and I hope we will have you for the next editions as well. Thank you very much.